Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. Hope everybody is doing great. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite stock right now is Pfizer in the pharmaceutical company. And on this website, like top 10 pharmaceutical companies 2020. On this website you can see it's at number 2 after Johnson and Johnson with the 51.75 billion dollar revenue. And right now you can see the stock is at $34. And if we talk about the 5-year chart, the stock in 2016 stock was at around 27 and $28, and it reached to around $41 in 2019. Like after that the stock was like going down, but in the pandemic you can see it reached to around $27. And right now you can see their market capital is 191 billion and their dividend yield is 4.54%. Yeah, which is great. You can see on this website, the Nasdaq, their dividend history. They're pretty much now they're paying like 0.37 cent per share. Since 2013, they are keep increasing their dividend. You can see like 2 cents every year. They keep increasing their dividend. Let's go back to the Google Finance, and when we go here and can you go, you can see on annual report in 2016 you can see their revenue were like 52 billion, and it keep in decreasing from 52 billion. Then it in 2017 it decreased a little bit, and in 2018 it increased, and again in 2019 it decreased, and now in 2020 you can see it's reached to 41 billion. And in quarterly you can see it like increase, but again it decrease and increasing. Let's go to the Yahoo Finance. On here you can see the like recommended trend. You can see the people are so many people are buying this and holding this stock right now. And when you go to the holders chart, you can see in the insiders pretty much they are not buying a lot of shares. It's you can see it's 0.05%. The top institute, they are the most one who are investing in this stock and this company right now. You can see the Vanguard, they have like so many shares. And you can see then we have a BlackRock, and you can see we have also have a Bank of America. It's also one of my stock in my portfolio. Let's talk about this article on a New York Times. You can see the vaccines, like the top two vaccines. You can see the first one we have a Pfizer with the 95% effectiveness. So you can see it's working like 95%. And then we have Moderna's, which works like around 94.5%. It's not about only the medical, like the particular the COVID vaccine. You can see on their website there they have so many products regarding the medical products. You can see they have it all categorized from A, B, C. You can see maybe they are making more than 100 medicines or something. And then I just wanted to talk about the main thing about this. You can see there's the dividend yield is 4.54%, which is great, and they are paying annual dividend of dollar 1.56 per share with the yield of 4.54. If you think like let me show you if you have a like around 30 shares of this company right now with this dividend yield, you will pretty much earn around $48 at the end of the year. Like it's just free from there as a dividend yield. The main thing about this company I'm so bullish on it is because of this. The Kevin O'Leary is one of the richest billion, like the businessman in the is also a billionaire in the world with the $400 million. His company or shares they invested like they invested a lot of money in that company. So you can see if we talk about the quantity, they invest a lot of money in Pfizer, with the quantity of like more than 500,000 stocks in their portfolio. The main thing about this company, you can see the price of the stock from the past 5 years. You can see it was keep increasing. It's just in the pandemic you can see it just doing fluctuate. And from the maximum chart you can see it was keep increasing, but like before 2009 you can see it decreased a lot. But now you can see from 2009 to 2021 it keep increasing, and I'm so bullish in this company. It will keep increasing And you can see with this market capital and so many rich people are investing in this, it's really a nice stock with the cheap price.
Yeah, so if you like my video, please like and comment and subscribe. Thank you.